Namaste DP fam and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for sharing all your love on my previous video. So I live in a 3 BHK apartment in Bangalore and this is my master bedroom. This is the bedroom before that already looked pretty good, but I wanted to redo my bedroom. In this video, I'll share a cozy bedroom makeover and give you a tour of this place. So grey was my choice of color for bedroom to bring a sense of coziness to my space. It is a bold but a classy color. It is indeed a very versatile color and can complement any style of furnitures, artworks and accessories. The wall was feeling a little empty, so I installed these two narrow shelves. There is a useful rail to add a few books and some decor pieces. I have fixed this two unit closely together to form as one single unit. These floating shelves are usually made of engineered wood that gives them more defined and fancy finish. These white shelves are giving a very classy and stylish look to this grey wall. To add an elegant touch, I am fixing this metallic gold finish pendant light to one side of my bed. It is fixed high enough to avoid hitting while getting in and out of the bed. Actually, this is a great alternative for your bedside table lamp. So a simple DIY I'll be sharing with you on how I transformed this bedside table. I purchased this white matte finish wallpaper roll from Amazon. The first thing is to make sure that the table is clean, dry and dust free. Next is a tricky part. The width of this wallpaper is not that wide, so I overlapped the wallpaper in the center of the table. After pasting the wallpaper this way, with the help of a card, I smoothed out the wallpaper and removed all the air bubbles. And tada! My bedside table is ready. I have this queen size iron frame bed and decided to paint it white to complement the grey wall and also the other furnitures. We got this mattress from Wakefit and it is super comfortable mattress. The packaging is super compact and they deliver at your doorstep. So first let's talk about curtains. I'm adding this linen curtains. These neutral colors are adding extra coziness to the room. Let me know in the comment section if you feel the same. This solid grey color bedsheets layered with cushions and throws adds to the well put together look. And this yellow cushion adds a pop of cheer with the grey theme of the room, making it so aesthetic. And to break up all of the solid colors, we added this white throw on top. At last, I chose a white carpet which is having a lighter tone than my dark color wall. And this is the Zen corner in my bedroom. In the previous video, I have shared with you how I created this Zen corner. And there it is. For bedroom of this size, I think it looks pretty nice. Certainly better than what it was before. Shout out to my husband for helping me in this makeover. So if you have a room that is lacking personality or character, see how color, accessories and lighting can uplift the look of the room. Hey guys, thank you once again for watching this. Hopefully you are able to get some sort of inspiration or something out of this. So if you liked it and want to see more of this, then subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy and bye-bye.